Hello friends, most welcome to Hortus Botanica. Yes, let's discuss biology paper NEET 2020. As I told you, there are two questions asked in the NEET 2020 from Plant Kingdom. We discussed one question. Now let's discuss the next question from Plant Kingdom asked in 2020 NEET. Yes, this question is 82. As I told you, we are discussing paper code. Yes, it is 6Z5 and this question number is 82. Now let's discuss question number 82. As I told you earlier also, the question was directly from NCERT. So again I repeat, this question from Plant Kingdom is again from NCERT. But let's explore this question as well as all the four options, and also I will explain from where this question has been framed, from which NCERT, right? So see, what is the question? Question is, Floridian starch has a structure similar to, right? So first of all, we must know about the Floridian starch. What it means, Floridian starch. Then we have to talk about its structure, and then we have to compare their structure, which is very similar to, right? So whenever we talk about the Floridian starch, this is polysaccharides, Floridian starch. By name it is very clear. Floridian means to say this is very good appearance like a flower. So its commercial name is Floridian starch. But what its chemical name? It's chemically very similar to two important structure, and this is amylopectin first, and second is glycogen, right? As I told you, since it is Floridian means similar to flower. What happened in flower? There are so many lobe-like structure is there, right? So the chemical structure, the chemical bonding of about 10,000 to 1 lakh molecules are joined together in that bond. Where I am talking about in the case of amylopectin. Yes, glycogen is less branched, but this amylopectin is highly branched structure, right? It is of about 10,000 to 1 lakh molecules of the sugar. So what you are finding? You are finding that Floridian starch, which is the commercial name, chemically it's very similar to the very highly branched structure of amylopectin and glycopectin. Is it clear? So very direct question from the NCERT, and I think answer is the first. Now you should know why the rest four is wrong. Next one is mannitol, and this is the algin. So one thing I would like to add you again, this Floridian starch is found where? It is found in red algae. You all know red algae, commonly known as, yes, they are commonly known as rhodophyceae. Fine. So rhodophyceae, this is the red algae. In red algae, the reserve food, whenever we are talking about reserve food, so the reserve food is known as what? Floridian starch. Again I repeat, red algae also known as rhodophyceae. The reserve food found in this rhodophyceae is Floridian starch. That very Floridian starch is structurally very similar to highly branched structure, right, in amylopectin, and very similar to amylopectin and glycogen. That's why it is called Floridian starch, due to its highly folded structure. So I am talking about all this concern related to red algae. But whenever you talk about the brown algae, just recall when you will talk about the brown algae, right? Okay, there we have also the reserve food mala. I used to tell mala, right now mala. Remember, in mala, mala is found in, yes, brown algae. And what is the English of mala? Mala is in Hindi word and English of mala is flower. So I always used to say my students, remember, reserve food in brown algae is mala and reserve food in red algae is flower. Flower means to say Floridian starch. So very easy to remember by this very simple concept. So what I am telling you again, this brown algae reserve food is mala. Mala stands for, yes, Ma for mannitol and La for laminarine. See, so these laminarine and mannitol both are the example of brown alga. So again I will tell you, this is for brown algae, this is for brown algae. But what you are talking about, this Floridian starch, this is concerned to red algae, right now. So this is not for brown algae. Starch and cellulose, this is the food of, yes, this is the food of chlorophyceae and this is green algae. So you can say that this question is related to reserve food found in different algae. So this question is from plant kingdom and especially from algae, and in algae especially from, yes, reserve food material. So in green algae the reserve food material, in green algae the reserve food material is starch cell. Usually I used to remember to my students, yes, remember, starch cell means starch and cellulose. So brown algae, what will you remember? Mala. Mala means, yes, mannitol and laminarine. And in red algae, what will you remember? Yes, flower. Flori. Flori means to say, Floridian starch. Floridian starch. So very easy to remember. So I think again, if you will get such type of the question, then you will not miss by this very good mnemonics and explanation. So by this whole discussion and exploration of the question as well as the option, we can conclude very confidently that the answer is 1. So the answer of this 82 will be first, right? But I will not left any stone untouched. Try to understand from which part of NCERT this question has been framed, so that whenever you will study again NCERT, you must be conscious, right? See the NCERT explanation. This is a very important table, right? See, in this table the 3 classes has been explained. This is the green algae, brown algae and red algae. See, red algae, brown algae and green algae. These are the major pigments. Yes, very easy to remember in all A, and remember B, C, D, very easy to remember. But here in this question, the question is associated to only the stored food. See, in green algae, what is the stored food? This is, yes, starch, and its cell wall is made up of cellulose. So what was the option? Starch and cellulose. So this is the reserve food and this is the constituent of cell wall. Now in brown algae, what was the concern? Question was in brown algae, yes, I told you mala, ma and la means to say mannitol and laminarine. And here the cell wall is made up of algene, and this algene, my dear, is what? This is poly non-sulfur or non-sulfate ester. Remember, in brown algae, what happened? This is poly non-sulfate ester is there. But when you talk about red algae, this is polysulfate ester is there. And this polysulfate ester is called agar. Yes, this is the agarophyta. Red algae is called as agarophyta. So, you know, Glacilaria, Zelidinium, these are the agarophyta. So you find here how this is the, yes, this is the Floridian starch. So this Floridian starch is found in where? It is only found in this red algae, that is the rhodophyceae. So what is the, how the question has been framed? From which line the question has been framed? See, what is the last stanza of the red algae in NCERT? The red thalli of most green red algae is multicellular. Again, another question was also there. You have to find out the unicellular algae. Again, remember there was the chlorella and single celled, that is your spirulina is there, and in green algae, yes, green algae are multicellular. Some of them have very complex body organization. See, food stored as Floridian starch. This is the main concern of this question, and it is very similar to amylopectin and glycogen in structure. So this Floridian starch is very similar structurally to this amylopectin and glycogen. Is it clear? So I think it's very much clear that whenever we talk about the green algae, reserve food, starch, right? Cell wall is made up of cellulose. Brown algae, mala, and whenever we talk about its cell wall composition, specific is algine, and in red algae, this is Floridian starch. This is very similar to amylopectin and glycoprotein, and it has, yes, agar, that is polysulfate ester. So in this way you can very easily recognize them. But you must have also a very good question in your mind. Okay, it's clear amylopectin and glycogen, but what is this amylopectin and what is this glycogen? Don't worry, you are here in Hortus Botanica. We will explain everything. Let's see. As I told you that whenever you are talking about Floridian starch, Floridian, it appears like flowers. What happened? There are so many. See, these are the mode of their branching. If they will branch like that, it appears like a very good flower like structure. See the very highly branched structure, how it is being branched. See, this is the branching of the amylopectin. Yes, this is the amylopectin. Most starches are there and made up of highly branched molecular structure. As I told you that every chain in this average length of this amylopectin is 20 to 30 monomers, and this is having degree of polymerization around 10,000 to 1 lakh. See how it is highly well branched structure. Similarly, this glycogen, yes, the glucose is stored as glycogen in animal tissues also by the process of glycogenesis, and this is the alpha D glucose, similar to amylopectin. As I told you, similar to amylopectin, similar to glycogen, and similar to Floridian starch. And this is small, yes, it is about 13 glucose unit. So it is 13 glucose unit, but this is 20 to 30 monomers having DP means degree of polymerization will of 10,000 to 1 lakh. So I think you have explored what is the meaning of amylopectin, what is the glycogen, how it is very similar to, yes, Floridian starch, and this Floridian starch is associated to, yes, rhodophyceae, that is the red algae. And in this way you have explored all the detail of this question number 82 of plant kingdom and especially related to red algae. So thank you. Stay watching. The next question is again coming to you. Just subscribe, like and give your good comments so that we can improve further. Thank you very much, dear. Stay tuned.